Hey guys, it's Olivia and you are watching DonnaTube. Today on DonnaTube, I'm gonna be showing you guys a night out look. I just want to do something fun, different. I have a little bit of makeup on from earlier. This is probably like the gross way people do it. I'm sorry. Yeah. So first thing that you gotta do for a night out is have an outfit, okay? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I put on this blue top. It looks really cute with a choker. I'm not gonna wear it right now because I'm doing my makeup, obviously. But like the shoulders off, you wear a cute skirt and wedges, and you're good to go. So first, we're gonna have to do something with my eyebrows. What I'm gonna do is go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in dark brown because my eyebrows are dark as crap. So I go in at the beginning, make a nice little, make it nice and thick. And I'm making my eyebrows a little bit more bold because I'm going out. Okay, so now I did my eyebrows. They're looking thick. Next what I'm gonna do is my eyeshadow. I'm gonna take this paper towel and just rub off what I have right now. I didn't put primer on my eyelids earlier when I did my eyeshadow, so it's not gonna be a problem. So first palette I'm going in with is Glam by Anastasia. You can't tell, I really like them. I'm gonna use the brush. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. blending brush just to do the base color. So I'm gonna go in with Tempera, which is the light one, and I'm gonna make that my base color. Now, you guys, I'm not a beauty guru, so oh my gosh, look at these pimples. So cute. Next, I'm gonna go in with the blending brush that came with the Soft Glam palette. And I'm gonna go in with Rose Pink, which is the glittery one, glittery pink color. I'm just gonna put it in my crease. Oh gosh, I swear I'm gonna kill myself if it keeps going in and out. Oh my gosh, come on now. This is a disaster. That's why I told you I'm not a beauty guru. Oh my gosh. Now we're gonna go in with Mulberry, which is a red color. I'm just gonna put that all on the base with that same brush. I'm sorry, I'm not a beauty guru. Now I'm gonna take the other side of the brush, and I'm going to take I'm gonna take Cypress Umber, which is the dark brown color. I think it's in Modern Renaissance too. I'm gonna pat it. I'm gonna pat it on the outer corner just of the lid. Look. So now that I did like a lot of colors, I'm gonna go in with Mulberry again, and I'm gonna blend it over the pink, but very lightly with this brush. We're gonna go in with that same blending brush that we used earlier to put the base on, and we're really gonna go in. It's from e.l.f. by the way. Pat in Fairy, actually glistening from that palette. I'm gonna tap it in the inner part of my eye. So now I'm gonna go in with some eyeliner. And I'm not doing anything thick because that isn't flattering to my eye. What? Okay, this is the pan of makeup. Let's just look how gross I look right now. Ow. So I'm gonna go in. First we need this brush. Anyway, sorry about that. Quick intermission. So I'm gonna go with Laura Mercier's tinted moisturizer because that's all I use. Sorry if you guys were looking for some full coverage crazy shit. Perfect. I feel so much better, cleaner. Now I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, the powder one. I'm gonna go in with this one, sorry, this one. I'm gonna get angled brush. You already know the deal. We're gonna bronze. And it's very important when you bronze to go in a circular motion and make the three on your head. So 1, 2. Really, again, where you put bronzer, it's your preference. I put mine on my big old forehead. And not real. We're gonna go in with another Real Techniques brush. If I can find it. This one. We're gonna dip into the banana powder, which is in the thing, and I go under my eye and I'm pat it in there. And I put it in my lines, but I don't put too much there because I don't want the yellow to stand out. And I'm gonna put it down there too. Okay, next part. We're gonna go back in with eyeshadow Soft Glam, the bottom part of the thing, and this is when you even out your eyes. I'm gonna go back in with Mulberry, which is that dark red. I know, being a little risky here, and I'm just going under. So we got that, and now I'm gonna go in with that pink, that pretty pink, and I'm gonna put it right there. That's pretty. So if you notice, my eyelashes look really crusty right now because there's already mascara on it, and then I put eyeshadow. So what I usually do is I take my fingers, literally, y'all are probably cringing from this, and I just like get all the powdery stuff off of it, and I'm gonna go with mascara again. I use the Lash Sensational, I use a drugstore mascara, and I'm just gonna go in with it. So now that my eyelashes are clumpy and ugly, I'm gonna go with my earring and fix it. Beauty gurus around the world are cringing. Okay, finally fixed the top. Sorry about that grossness. Sorry about my hair grossness. Just sorry about everything's grossness. I'm doing this really out of order. I'm so sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom into my eyes and just like see you. Okay, so that is the eye look. If you look all bruised up, then it's right. Okay, so now I just look like I have no life in me. I mean, my contour kind of fixed it, but now we need some blush. A NARS blush that has highlight all over it because my highlight exploded. Again, not a beauty guru. And I'm going in with the color Dulce Vida. There's like glitter all over me now. And I use this brush from Bare Mineral Starter Pack, but I don't know if they still use it, but it's a fluffy brush. And I do circular motions with my blush too. So now that I look, hello, I'm gonna go on my other Real Techniques brush and blend all this out. I look great. I look like a little elf. And yes, I put it on my nose. I think I like how that looks, so pretty. Now, we're gonna go in with highlight. Of course, we gotta have a highlight for our night out look. I'm going in with the Nicole Guerrero highlight kit. And I'm gonna go in with this white one. We gotta go bold. We're going out. We're going out tonight. Yes, I do a duck face when I do. I'm sorry. Wow. Yas. I almost said yas and then I stopped myself. I was like, I'm not gonna say that. So I put it like this on my cheek. Gotta get on the nose. Okay. And last but not least is lipstick. So one of my faves right now is Touchable Taupe by L'Oreal, and it's cheap. Guys, it's actually Maybelline. I'm sorry. No brand deals here. See, it's nice and dark. To give my hair a little bit of volume, I'm gonna spray in this Not Your Mother's Plump for Joy. Okay, so this is the makeup look, the finished one for a night out. Also, you can wear like a black shirt. That'd be cute too with this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you thought, and subscribe to my channel. Also, turn those bell notifications on to get notified every time I post. Once again, disclaimer, I'm not a beauty guru. You saw that, like, you saw all my mess ups. I didn't even do it in the right order. I was just having some fun. So this is for you real ones out there that just want to have a laugh, I guess. I don't know. Or you could actually have followed this. 'Cause I don't think it came out bad. Okay, guys, have a great day, a great night. Stay happy and stay alive. That was really lame. I'm not doing that kiss thing again. Bye.